Hey guys, how's it going? Here is the brand new Sony Xperia Z3 Compact in 2019. So this is the old device from 2014 with a good hardware, good camera and a big battery life. So this is the good device for people who uh, want a compact device because in these days there's big screen devices more than 5.5 inch, and you cannot find any device under a 4.6 inch, which is this one. So Sony Xperia Z3 Compact, enough for now, and let's open it. Brand new, as you can see. I've got this for $16. Here is the model D5803. This is the white variant. There is a mint color and gold, I think. So, and black. No, white, red, green and black. 3 luminous display, 4K video movie recording, quad-core Qualcomm 801, 20 megapixel, main camera 4.6 inch display, high resolution audio, and Android, of course. You can see 2014 Sony mobile communication. Okay. And here we go. Sony Z3 Compact. Absolutely gorgeous device. As you can see, they're really amazing. Okay. Here is the micro USB cable. Sony fast charger and headphones with a microphone. Okay, let's boot up this device. This is the brand new device. Okay, here we go. So it comes with the Android 4.4 with the full support of languages. And finish. So really awesome device. As you can see, there is a 4.6 IPS luminous display with a 720p resolution. On the front we have a 2.2 front-facing camera with a full HD movie recording. LED notification. There's stereo speakers, dual speakers on the front, micro SD slot, NFC. At the bottom we have a microphone, volume rocker, power button, and a dedicated hardware camera key, shutter, 3.5 headphone jack, 20.7 megapixel of main camera with LED flash, and a 4K movie recording. For 2014, this is the great device. So there is a fast charging, good battery life, so Android can be upgradable to Android 6 latest version for this device. Qualcomm Snapdragon 801, as I said, with a 2 GB of RAM and 16, I think 16 GB of internal storage, upgradable with a micro SD slot, of course. So compared to the iPhone 7, so Sony Z3 Compact is a waterproof device. So iPhone 7 is 4.7 inch display. As you can see, dimensions on the Z3 Compact is better. It's more compact than iPhone 7. And this is for now. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you ask is it worth to buy in 2019, for me this is a great device with hardware shutter key, good battery life, and compact design. So okay guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe and share for more videos.